it's a calling of which I started it when I was 12 years old. I was still a young boy.
That is
now,
young. So how do you know? What if you think it's the movies you're watching?
No, the things
is
which
it a
happen to
spirit in
you,
you?
it's abnormal. You know, if at night when you're sleeping, you dream those dreams, snakes and stuff. Maybe at times when you're just sitting, there is something which is talking to you. You feel like I can tell you that, yeah, you've got a problem. Maybe you won't get babies. For you to get babies, you have to do this and stuff.
Touch wood. Yeah, sure. I'm getting babies. I know I said I don't want them, but I'm getting them.
You have a lot of people with that problems, and you get so much emotionally involved. How do you separate your emotions to, actually delivering the service for the customer?
You have to be professional at all the times. You don't have to mix. I can say you don't have to mix business with your personal stuff. When the moment you walk into your surgery, you must leave your personal issues aside so that I can be able to deal with you. So whenever, if maybe I'm upset or whatever, worried, the moment I walk into that surgery, I need to be neutral.
Do you want to ask me what you do?
These guys.
So what I want to know from you is, when you meet someone, do you instantly know? You know what I mean? Like, you meet me, let's say, Koteksi.
Yeah.
Do you instantly pick up on something of mine, or would I have to come to you and divulge and say this is my issue?
At times it happens. Maybe if you're having a serious problem, like people, they want to kill you. Maybe while I'm driving, if I just see you outside, maybe something will tell me that, hey, stop the car, help that person. She or he is going to get shot, so go and help them.
So you know exactly what will happen.